baby. Road. Okay, let's see the Navi. Will it work today? Map. Choose map. Okay, this is the map. And it shows you some petrol stations, some other object. For 2004, this is very nice Navi. It actually is, they put it in A4, in the next generation of A4, so it's really a good high tech for this year. It's already 14 years old and it's still working for now. Yeah. The sound of the engine is so smooth, so good. I have some secret. I have put some cut-off valves on the exhaust, both exhausts, because this is twin exhaust car, and I can control the valve from this remote control. For example, now you hear the sound. It's completely quiet here, but when I put it on, it now opens. The car starts to be angry, really angry. It has some very nice, satisfying noise from the V8, 4.2 liter, 300 horsepower when new. Now I pray for 250 maybe. You can check, when buying such car, you can check the compression of the cylinders. It should be 12 maybe, or 11.8. Too much body roll, as you see on this second level. The gearbox is a little bit lazy on D, but when you put it on S, it's actually better. Now it's driving on LPG. I have some problem and it starts to cut off the fuel, so it has some not so smooth acceleration, but however I'll fix this too. You can put on lower gear from here. Very nice sound, huh? I very much like this idea of having such. Okay. It revs to 6,500 RPMs. Okay, let's slow down. Really nice sound, and this is with closed window. Outside the sound is, I'm just giving away the sound to the people which are around. They are just enjoying the sound for free, and I pay for this by burning some LPG, a lot of LPG, tons of LPG actually. So I'm making people happy, I'm making better world with happier people by listening to my V8 actually. That's the idea of whole thing. When creating V8, they say, I know it's not the fastest car. This one, when new, was 7.2 to 100 kilometers. Now, if it's 8, I'll be happy. And 240 kilometers per hour on the highway. But when I tried, I reached 230, and that's it. It didn't go any further. But of course, this is almost 15-year-old car. You cannot expect to have the initial dynamics. Okay, let's turn. Okay, I'll now show you full throttle now. quattro system. It has some nice clearance, actually about 20 plus centimeters. So you can go in the forest, you can be like a Jeep almost with these 8-inch wheels. It's not like the same like Jeep, but like a good SUV, and at the same time you can lower it down and drive with 140-180 kilometers with no problem on the nice revs, listening to that smooth and very, very calming. It's really nice noise, making your ears happy and making the other happy. I forgot to say, yeah, you remember? The other people on the road are happy because I drive around them and they listen to this V8 and they say, wow, what a sound. Only petrol car guys do it, I know. Okay, let's put it on lower gear. Second gear, put the throttle. Away. Mitsubishi. The next one too. Okay. Okay, some BMW. Very nice sound. I'll open the window when we kill some speed here. Very nice response. You see now on 2000 RPM. I put the pedal and the car is ready. Even the big, although the body is very big, it still has some power to pull. I am absolutely sure people envy me now because of the sound. The sound of this car is so fucking great. It's very rare combination. You can buy A6, S6, S8, but actually A6 ALLROAD, that's absolutely very rare car, and if you can buy it because this car is rare. We can save these cars. They have really good idea in them, making the perfect car. This is the ultimate zombie escape car. Imagine everywhere zombies. You go in the ALLROAD, open the cut-off valve, and then drive through the zombies. Kill them all. You have to modify your front to put some really sharp knives, and you can go to the zombies with this car. Okay, let's open the window and you can enjoy the music now. Bump into the busy streets. Maybe second position is not the best position to drive. Like this. Oh, I love tunnels. I haven't paid for an expensive exhaust system. I just put the cut-off valves just before the rear exhaust, so that the exhaust, the gases, so that the gases, I put the cut-off valve just before the rear mufflers, so that we can hear that brilliant sound. Wow, nice sound. Baby. Really very fun car to drive. Yes, I know it's not a manual, but off, and you have a silent car now. Okay, thank you for watching. Watch our other videos. I'll make, if you like this car, I'll make another video of it, driving it on the nice curvy roads. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and watch our other videos. Bye bye.